Hi everyone. Have you ever thought about how much plastic you use in a single day? From water bottles to food packaging, it adds up faster than we realize. Today, I want to convince you that cutting down on single-use plastic is crucial for our future. It protects our planet, saves money in the long run, and sets a positive example for others. First, single-use plastic harms ecosystem and wildlife. Millions of tons of plastic end up in our oceans each year, where animals often mistake it for food. This can lead to injury or even death. Second, while changing habits can seem difficult at first, it's actually manageable with small steps. Bringing a reusable water bottle, using cloth bags, or refusing plastic straws are simple actions that quickly become parts of your routine. Over time, these habits not only reduce waste but also save you money. Third, small action, especially by young people, can make a big difference. When we choose to reduce plastic use, we influence our friends, families, and communities to do the same. Change starts with individual, and together those choices add to something powerful. In short, reducing single-use plastic is not just an environmental issue, it's a responsibility we all share. The choices we make today will shape the world we live tomorrow.